my dad's 2018, 1997 Lumina, 98 Lumina. For the 2018 Erie County Fair Demolition Derby. Yeah, I can definitely see now why it's going to be a derby car.
Don't put the license plate on there.
Okay.
Or the other car either. Lift it up. You know what I mean? Don't show the license plate.
Yep, the trunk looks pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty, but it's clean.
Proud as a rock.
Got a little body gloss, that's nothing. All Luminas have it. How's the frames on this? Oh, yeah, this is nice. So, yes. What?
Check the back frame, or the back bumper and stuff.
Yeah, looks solid. Nice Lumina. We're probably gonna change the gas tank because it just fold up like a pretzel. Everything under here looks decent. But, yeah, it was in a wreck before, so that's why the guy was getting rid of it. But there's the 1998 Chevrolet Lumina.